I should get a brighter light for in here because it's looking a little, you know. Off the subject, when I have my stuff come, I brought my light bulbs, but I'll probably put them, I'm finna tell Jamila. Bathrooms don't have like bulbs, we should put them in the kitchen. I think that'd be cute. Anywho, welcome back to another video. Today it's a dedicated video with DSoar hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this wig. It's beautiful. And I think I did my little thing with the plucking. Okay, we gonna see once we put it on our head, because it really just depends if I do baby hairs or not, how good it looks. We're just going to hop right into it. This is a 13x4 Jerry curl. It's 24 inches and 180 density. Here it is, y'all. Look at, I can't see because I didn't put my contacts in, because I noticed that when I put my contacts in when I'm filming, my eyes start to hurt and I get headaches and I don't like that. But yeah, look at that. I mean, it looks better than before, okay? It looks better than what I've done. I bleached it. It looks pretty good to me. So we're just gonna get started. The reason I don't got this wig cap on all the way is because I don't have the energy, okay? I really don't have the energy to put it all the way on and take it all the way off and do all that extra stuff. I promise when I get a ride, I'm going to get some different foundation. Actually, I think I have foundation packed up because this foundation is really cheap. It's from e.l.f. and like no shade towards e.l.f., but like it's e.l.f. e.l.f. has some really good stuff. They powder foundation, I wouldn't recommend. So I just can't do it. I really want to do a style, but like I don't know how to style my wigs for real. I wanted to do some braids, but I can't braid it when it's on my head. I can braid it when it's off my head. Bleach the knots and all that good stuff. It is still a little bit wet. Be popping this sucker on. Oh my goodness, yes. Like, yes. I can tell the top for sure. The top looks great. The sides looking a little questionable, but it's okay. And we're just gonna spray this puppy on. Oh, I got this out for a reason to I mean, it low-key, like, it blends really good, but we still gonna just do it just to be safe. Just to be safe, I guess. That's how you know the lace is a little questionable. Or not the lace. That's how you know that the foundation is a little questionable when you have to shake it. Oh yeah, that made a difference. Alright. So this is what it looks like when it's on my scalp without me doing anything to it. Looks pretty good to me. It's all sideways, okay? I just noticed. I'm like, look y'all, and it's all sideways, but no. It's definitely giving. To right here, got it. Cut it down, cut it. This wig is real cute. I kind of like it all poofy and stuff. Like, it's giving something that I didn't know that I needed in my life, you know? I want an honest opinion from you guys. The ones that do watch these videos. I do appreciate y'all supporting me. And I want to know, what do you think I could do better? Do you want me to talk about topics more? Do you want me to give like a full legit 100% review? Or like, what do you want more from me out of these wig videos? Because fortunately for me, I really enjoy doing these. I get practice more and more each time, which is great. So I want to make sure that you guys are also satisfied, you know? If there's anything that I could do, and I'm taking criticism, not rudeness, bitterness, hate, none of that, but I really want to know, like, what do you think I could do better when it comes to these wig videos? Okay, so this side is cool, so we gonna put this down as much as we can so we can know where we're gonna put it. It's gonna be right here. Y'all see that? Yep, right there. Boom. We're not gonna have a big forehead today, baby. This side gonna have to be pulled up a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah. GLAMOROUS, yeah. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life. Did I sing it backwards? Ooh, you're fine, you're fine. Are you ready? Look at how quick this install is about to be. We're gonna call this video a quick and easy install. That's the only thing I like about spraying on this stuff, is because it's so quick. It's not a whole 4 hours. You know, I'm getting faster though. I used to take like 4 hours to put on a wig and then take it off at night. It was so horrible. Now it takes me like an hour tops. Maybe an hour and 30 if I have to do my edges, because you know my edges is not my favorite part. First class. Why do I got that song stuck in my head? Seriously. I'm gonna do the most. I'm gonna do the most basic edges of my life, because I just don't have the energy to be messing them up and going back over 200 times, you know? Very time draining. You know, I didn't even cut this. It was actually easier not to cut it, to be honest with you, and quicker. Look at me learning new things. I don't wanna cut my real hair. Have you ever done that, be honest? Like doing your own wig. Have you ever cut your own hair? Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. Y'all know Shakira finna go to jail? That's so fucked up. I mean, she should have paid her taxes. Like, I ain't saying free Shakira, but that's fucked up. Oh my goodness. This hair is so cute. I love it. The edges. Gotta let this down for a second. So what I use for my edges, Eco Gel. I tried not to use Eco Gel, but I realized that using Eco Gel makes my life eco easier. So we're using Eco Gel today. And that's okay. Like, I ain't tripping or whatever. Use some Eco Gel, and then I'm also gonna bring out this mousse and this leave-in conditioner for this hair because it's gonna make it y'all, it's gonna make it look so cute. And then I also need my hot comb. Y'all, my friend has a business. I used to work with her, and it's called Status Glow with I think 3 or 4 E's on Instagram. Please go check her out. She has a lot of candles, and they're so cute. I just ordered one. It says like do whatever you want on it, and it's black and white. I looked down there specifically for candles that were black and white because in here, besides like all like the other colors, which y'all didn't even see. Oh my gosh, y'all see this. Y'all see us soon. Y'all see us soon. But it'll just go in here perfectly. So I was like, let me buy it. So I bought one. So go check her out. I love her. She is the sweetest soul. She's so positive. I just love having positive people in my life. Like, don't some of y'all just hate having like negative ass people around you all the time? Like always talking shit about somebody. Always talking shit about somebody. Like, I don't know. I just don't really care to be around that type of energy. You know? What are we gonna do with this hair? This looks so cute. It's like I low-key don't even want to put baby hairs, but I'm gonna. Very light ones for real, because I be doing too much. If you watch my videos, you already know. I'm not about to show y'all me doing this side because y'all not gonna be able to see it for real. So I'll be back when I'm ready to do all of the top. I really think like it's giving. It's giving. Yeah. Yeah. It's giving. I said what I said. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. Y'all probably tired of that it's giving phrase. I ain't. I did my edges. Now I'm just gonna spray some oil in it, make it nice, all sleek and shiny. I was putting a little water on it. I cannot wait till I get my stuff because I have a bigger. This is like mist. I have one that's like actual spray, and it sprays so much better. It just gets it wet quicker. We're gonna spray it, brush it out, put some stuff in it, and we gonna do the top and be done. Okay, so for the most part, everything's done except for just the top. But this is like, yeah, I like it a lot. This wig is real cute. I like to clean up as I go. You know, it takes 2 seconds to clean up. I tell my girlfriend that all the time. What's some new movies y'all been watching? Did y'all see Nope? I liked it. A lot of people I know didn't, but that's okay. You don't have to like the movie just because it's Jordan Peele. I feel like a lot of people have expectations that the movie's just supposed to be good to everybody because it's Jordan Peele, but that's not always the case, and that's fine. I really like the movie. I still kind of don't understand it, but that's okay. It's just not something for me to understand, okay? Love it. I cannot wait to get all my stuff. Y'all don't understand. It's The days are counting down, honey. I got about 10 days, but it's still coming. So I'm so excited to get my stuff back, for real. I just want all my stuff, all my makeup. I just want to start doing some stuff. Y'all gonna see when I get my stuff. I'm damn near gonna record it. And unfortunately, y'all see this like really big part right here. I don't have nothing to cover that up with, so that's just gonna be there. This is it. It's real cute. This is it, y'all. I think this part is the best I've ever done. It looks so natural up here, which I really like. The sides not too much, but they still look really good, and I love how I plucked it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. But this is it, y'all. This is our Jerry Curl 24-inch. It is 180 density, like I said. You could definitely tell it's 180, but 180 is, I mean, it's good. It's, if you don't like your hair too full, this is perfect. If you like your hair super full, get 200. But thank you, DSoar Hair, for sending me this wig. I always do that. Thank you. But no, for real, thank you for sending me this wig. I appreciate it. I appreciate the work and the dedication you did to make this happen, and I appreciate it because this is really good. I like it. It gets an A. If you want to match me, the wig will be down below in the description as always, as well as hopefully maybe a little discount for you. But all of their website details and everything else will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you follow all my social media. It's on the screen. And make sure you subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye, y'all.